So guys, this is our IPYNV file. So here I am going to write code. So first of all, you need to do like what is embedding. Okay, this is deep seek. Sorry. Okay. So first of all, you need to know what is env file. Okay. So env file store environment specific variable for application keeping sensitive information like API keys and database credentials separate from the code base, which enhance the security and allow for easy configuration access. Configuration across different environment, like development, testing and production without altering the core code. Okay, so here you need to create one env file. Okay, so this one. Okay, in which you have grok api. So how do you get grok api? So here you need to go like grok api key, and here uh, need to log in. Okay, so here you can create your own api here. Okay, you can give some name here like ai fashion or whatever your project. Okay, so here you can create your oi, like you can submit like this is the name, enter a display name for the keyword. Okay, so you can give any name. So you can copy and click on done, and you can paste here in env file. Okay, so you need to create a one variable here, and there you can put your grok api key. Okay, similar you have langchain api key. Okay, so where do you get langchain api key? So you need to go there. uh, Lang Smith. Lang Smith. Okay, so here in Lang Smith you need to log in. Okay, and here you got your AI key. Here API key. Sorry. Now you can create your AI key. Sorry, API key. Need to put description like I want to use for developing or whatever. Here I am doing some. mm, Here you need to key type. This is the personal and service key. So this is the personal access token used for authentication with the API as an individual user, and this is the service key tied to a service principal for authentication and CI work. Okay, so this is the personal access key, and this is the service key. Here you scope for service key full organization, and this is specific task. Grant access across all workspace, and this will give only authorized requests within the selected workplace. Okay, so we are going to use this. Okay, select one more workspace, limit this api key access to a specific workplace. Okay, so expiry date never, date 30 days, 90 day, 1 year, and custom. Okay, so here we need to create personal access token. Here you give personal, and you can create it like this. Okay, and you need to save this and use. Now I can copy this and put here in langchain api. Okay, so this is the langsmith api. Okay, and after that here you need to write true, and here this is the langchain project. This is automatically create in our langsmith dashboard, and this is the hugging face token. Okay, so langchain project, what is this? Here you need to go back. So this is our langchain ai project. Okay, so you need to keep one variable which name is langchain project. Okay, and you give any name here. Okay, that if you search anything, then it will track on this dashboard, and you if you are doing embedding and if you use any chain, so we can see here in this dashboard. Okay, okay, you can search if you ask the question in your code from your model, so this will generate the answer. For pizza, what is the pizza? Then for pizza is a vectors and made with a thin flat. Okay, whatever. So this is the output and this is the your question input. Okay, and after that, we have another key, hugging face token. Okay, so you can also create hugging face token. Mm. So here you can go hugging face user token. Now you need to create your token from here. Access token tab. You need to log in. Okay, here you can create your. You need to give permission, read, write, and find granted. Here you can create your token, give a name, and this is your token. Okay, and you need to copy this. Okay, and this is showing here. Last few minute ago, I have created this token. Okay, so these are the tokens. Okay, I have created for uh, uh, these are the tokens and API. I need to keep their in .env file. So I have already tell you what is the env file. Here you can see. Okay, here you can see env file store environment specific variable for application keeping sensitive information, API keys and database credential separate from the code base, which enhance the security and allow for easy configuration across different environment. Okay, so this is our I mean this is how can you create .env file and put all the credential like your database ID, password, and if you have any API credential, if you buy some API keys like from you if you buy API key from OpenAI, then you can keep this in a .env file and then you can use by using variable name. Okay guys, so guys I am I was teaching you embedding here, but I have I have taught in .env file and all how to create a credential. So in next video I have teach you embedding. Okay, so here this is all about .env file and its credential. Okay, so you can create by your own.